Hi everybody, thank you for tuning in to Big Eric Time. Today I'm going to show you how to change the cabin air filter on a 2021 or newer Ford F-150. So step one is empty out your glove compartment. Next you'll push in on these two tabs, and notice as you pull up, this is where it actually clips into the bottom. Inside here, the honeycomb mesh, what you'll want to do is stick your finger in here, and you're going to want to stick in and push out a little bit for both sides. Come out, pull it up at an angle. Notice the way that your filter comes out. So this looks like it's the OEM filter, a little dirty. Truck only has 16,000 miles. Notice that the airflow is going down and that you have some extra flap on the top. So right here I have a SuperTech 5280. Some instructions that I'm not going to read. So the flap's coming up right here, and you'll notice we have an arrow for airflow down. So basically this is going to be the way it goes in. Just slide her in there. Take your honeycomb. You got your two tabs at the bottom. Just make sure both pop in there. And down here, there's three of them. So we'll line up the two on the sides. These actually snap into place already, and all you gotta do is just throw your stuff in here and shut the door. This truck just has 16,000 miles. This is how your cabin air filter may look. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and please like, share, subscribe. Thank you.